Yes. Thank you.
How do you like that lab?
I really like it. It took a while.
Did you get fitted for it or no?
I went to the PGA store like 10 times just practicing and like seeing what felt right.
Lab motor?
Yeah, lab. There we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Odyssey and another challenging round here to test our skills. We're back at Bolingbrook Golf Club, and if you guys remember last year, we tipped this out about a month before the LIV event to see and compare how we did versus the pros. We are back here again to see how much we've improved since last time, so buckle up. I'm sure this is going to be a good one. Thank you. All right, absolutely smoked that first tee shot, so that felt good. It is very, very windy today, so on top of this course being extremely long, it is going to be a nice challenging day, so it's going to have to buckle up and stay mentally strong today and just see how low we can go. 160 to the flag, really strong wind in our face, so clubbing up twice and just going to try and hit a low stinger. No, little draw. Turned it over too much. All right, that'll be okay. All right, pulled it a little bit left because I just smothered the ball too much, trying to keep it low, but about pin high. Got to carry this about 20, 30 yards, so medium power 52 here, because I do not want to leave it short in the rough again. Sit. A little too much speed, but we left it out of the rough. That's gonna be a long putt.
That's a great putt.
Thank you. Yep. On the right. All right, so it'll be third shot here. How about an uphill line? Oh, shit. 4. Oh, I'm way outside of that one. 63 yards for throwing our hands across the ball and chunking it. Didn't get too punished, so got to drill this one in close and try to one putt for our bogey. Stay. That'll be all right. Yes. Thank you. Saved it. Thank you. Thanks. Smooth 5 here, just try to get it to our layup yardage. Thanks. Thanks. All right, 123 to the flag, 112 to carry the bunker. Clubbing up to a pitching wedge because the wind's in our face off the left. Just gonna try and hammer in a draw. Catch the screen. Perfect, on the green. Oh, Travis, it doesn't break that way. What are you doing? Yes. Thanks.
Hold it?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, thinned it.
Nice though. It's gonna place nice.
Sit.
Sit.
All right, that'll work.
Oh, go over.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Penalty for not using the putter.
Is that a penalty? Is that... A little right. Yeah, okay, right by that tree. Oh, that'll be all right. 202, no way you're getting it there, so let's just try to get it to 100 yards. Ball above our feet. Baseball. Oh, terrible. All right. Whew, out to in again. All right, got in close to get up and down for a par. Got 111, but wind is way at our backs here. Going with the 52. Get over. All right, be okay. Got a chance. Thanks. Yeah. Well, that's gonna bleed a little right. All right, right by that hill. All right, 133 into the wind. Don't want to leave this one short. Clubbing up to a 9. A little bit of a sandwich club here. Sit, 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 sit. That'll be all right. Thank you.
Bars in the birdie?
Yeah, I'll get it back here for you. Right there.
Nice shot.
Thanks. Sit. Sit. It's gonna be close. Just a little too much bleeding right. Yeah, it's 154 to the flag. Like the wind's gonna take it, but I really want to get it out of this stuff. I'm between 8 and 9. Maybe I'll just go with the 9 and just, but I really don't want to chunk it in the water. All right. Cover, but this is super thick, chunky stuff here. Really got to get down in it. There we go. Okay. Smooth like butter. That's what we need here. Oh, I visualized it, manifested it. Manifested that water ball. We got 117 downwind. Got to get this in close. Get up and down for bogey here. All right, that'll be okay. Dang it.
Yeah, they are.
All right, we were on break 80 watch, but just hit that second ball into the water and manifested it and had a 3-putt for a 7, so got to center ourselves, just forget that hole ever happened. Fortunately, we birdied right before that, but we just gave it all right back, so let's recollect ourselves, get back in the zone, and keep playing smart. That might be too much. Sit. Oh, perfect.
Oh, going back. You're on one. It has to spin. It just stopped.
Yeah. Nice. 8. Thank you.
How do you like that lab?
I really like it. It took a while.
Did you get fitted for it or no?
I went to the PGA store like 10 times just practicing and like seeing what felt right.
Lab putter?
Yeah, lab. Oh, not that far right. Yeah, down by the cart path. All right, still 200 out. Too risky so we're just gonna try and put it back in play. Perfect. Thank you. All right, perfect layup. 56 to the pin to get it up and down here. Over the bunker, 30 safe, so probably with the wind. 40-yard shot, let it trundle. Let it trundle. Sit. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, too much pace, Travis. Get there, please. Yes. Thank you. Whew. Thanks. Get there. Whew, that was a close one.